Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix PayPal permanent limitation. First, it's crucial to understand why your account was limited. Carefully review the email from PayPal detailing the issue and check their user agreement for specific policy violations. Before reaching out, gather all necessary documents like your identification and any transaction proofs. This preparation will significantly streamline the resolution process and help you present a clear case to PayPal's support team. Once you've prepared, the next step is to engage PayPal's support. Navigate to the Resolution Center in your account, which is the primary channel for addressing limitations. Be ready to articulate your situation clearly and provide any information they request without delay. Remember to remain patient and courteous during your interactions. A professional approach can often lead to a more favorable outcome. Persistence is key, as resolving these issues can sometimes take several days or even weeks. PayPal will almost certainly request specific documentation to verify your identity and transactions. Be prepared to submit clear copies of a government-issued photo ID, such as a driver's license or passport. You'll also need proof of address, like a utility bill or bank statement, ideally dated within the last 90 days. For transaction-related issues, provide invoices, tracking numbers, and any other evidence that supports your case. Supplying accurate and complete documents is vital for a successful review. Should your permanent limitation not be lifted, it's wise to consider alternative payment solutions for your future needs. Learning from this experience is crucial. Always adhere strictly to PayPal's user agreement and maintain transparent business practices to prevent future issues. Keep detailed records of all transactions, customer communications, and any interactions with PayPal support. This diligent record keeping can be invaluable, not only for preventing problems, but also for resolving any disputes that may arise down the line.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.